Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everybody. Now you know all the Arabic alphabets. You know their shapes, you know the refusal letters, you know the regular letters, you know everything about them. Let's read some words. I'm gonna read and write the word, and the translation will appear on the screen. Let's get started. Amara, 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 e, e, me, me. Do you remember ma? We have different shapes of ma. We have this one, have this one, we have this one, we have this one, right? 4 shapes of ma. Ma, 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 ma. Now I'm gonna write amara, ma. Which one I will select? I'm gonna help you. A is a refusal letter. We can't connect a from the left side, so I'm not gonna select this one, right? And this one too. I'm not gonna select any of them. I have this option or this option. This option is ma in the end of the word when the previous letter is a refusal letter. Now we will select this one because I want ma in the middle of the word. Me, me, eme, ra. Okay, do you remember? We have this ra and this ra. Which one I will select? I will give you 3 seconds. Okay, the answer is this, right? Okay, we will select this one. Why? Because me is a regular letter. Me, ra, emara. As you are still beginner, let me show you a way that will help you read the Arabic words. We will start with the first letter like this, and then I will say ame, ame, and then amara, amara. Let's check another word. سأل, 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 se. Now we need to write the second letter, e. Which a we will select? This a or this a? What do you think? The answer is this one. A in the middle of the word. Se, سأل, le. Do you remember la? We have this la. We have this la. We have this one. And we have this one. Now we need to select la in the end of the word. So it is this one or this one. A is a refusal letter. I will select this one. Se, le, se, se, سأل, سأل. ثقب, 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 ثقب. ثق, قا. ثق, 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 ثقب, ثقب. ثقب, ثقب, ثقب. تجرى, 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 تجرى. ج تاج تاج را را تاج را تاجر تاجر كتب 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 ك ك ت كت كت ب ك ت ب كت كت كتب كتب ث ب ت ثبت ثبت ث ب ت ثبت ثبت ث ث ب ب ثب 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 ت ث ب ت ثبت ثبت ن ث را نثر نثر ن ث را نثر نثر ن ن ث ث ث ث ث ث ث ث ن ث ن ث نث را ن ث نث نثر نثر ب ع ث بعث بعث ب ع ث بعث بعث ب ب ع ع باع باع ث ث باع 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 بعث بعث ث. Do you remember the difference between th, saw, and sa, right? We have th, saw, sa. Th, to pronounce th correctly, it is like th in English, like thank you, thank you. Saw is the strong sa. Review the lesson of saw and sa to remember the correct pronunciation. Sa, saw, th. ج ل س جلس جلس ج ل س جلس جلس ج ل س جلس 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 ن س ج نسج نسج ن س نس نس ج نسج 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 نسج. So guys, that's for today, and wait for more videos. I'm gonna update this course. I will add more videos. Thank you for watching.